easiest way to grow plants in a container or not a container is to create healthy living soil. Basically, the microorganisms in your soil, so the fungi and bacteria living in your soil, break down nutrients and make them available to your plants. So if you can take advantage of them, basically the plants look after themselves. And the way to encourage microorganisms in your soil is to feed them. And what you feed them is compost. So I have a bucket of homemade compost here, which in itself will be full of soil microorganisms. And each year, what I'm going to suggest you do to your big planters is mulch the top of it with a little bit of compost. And that's all you need to do each year. Give those microorganisms a bit of food, and your soil bugs and your plants should hopefully be happy for the rest of the year. So creating a healthy and balanced ecosystem of bugs in your soil is very easy to do in large planters. Just mulch with compost every year, but it's harder to do in little pots. So for example, this would be like you can mulch a little pot like this, but you're going to have far less of a community of microorganisms in here. So when you have small planters or small wellies, what you might need to do if your plants are looking a bit sad is give that planter a liquid feed. In terms of a liquid feed, you can make your own from nettles or comfrey, or you can go out and buy a sort of general purpose feed from a garden centre.